welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 9 of Vlogmas, also known as day 9 of 12 Days of Christmas. Today, we're going to be starting off the video not with socks, but with cookies. We're going to be making kiss cookies, yeah. So here's what we're going to use. I personally like these. These are the hot cocoa kisses. These are the kisses we're going to use, because why not? They're super fun. And we've got Reese's, all kinds of different stuff. But I think we're gonna stick with the kisses today. So we're gonna do like, yeah, peanut butter kiss cookies. I think it's what they're called. They're something, but you'll figure it out because like, yeah. So let's get the ingredients. Oh, we need peanut butter. Peanut butter. Kisses. We need butter. There's not butter on that side, but there's butter on this side. We got half a stick here. How much sticks do we need? 1 stick? We have 2 pieces of butter. That'll make a hole. So yeah, we're just gonna use these, I guess. Now that we've made our cookies, they look really good. They kind of have like chocolate blobs on the top. They're kind of like melted snowman. But yeah, they still taste really good though, because they got peanut butter and they've got chocolate. It's kind of like a sugar cookie. It tastes really, really good. If you want to know how to make these, it's in the link description below as a recipe. Let's put those over there. All right, our question from yesterday was, in an effort to keep up with the customer product demand, the first Mickey stuffed doll was created in what year? Congratulations to Amelia Ryle. I think that's how you say it. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at pronouncing names, but her link is in the description below to go visit her YouTube channel. And the answer was 1930. Making sure that I'm right. Yeah, okay. 1930. Congratulations, she answered it correctly. This is her answer. We like to put it at the bottom of the screen. I don't know why, but here it is. Also go visit her YouTube channel so she can have some subscribers and love. Why not? Okay, so the question for today is, in 1935, Mickey made his color film debut in which short film? I'll say it again in case you guys weren't listening. In 1935, Mickey made his color film debut in which short film? All right, I have to look at the answer to see if I know. Interesting. Oh, we have to open the socks. Okay, so number 9, never out of style. And then it's like a Mickey Mouse. Yeah, that's number 9. There we go. Oh, and I already ripped it. I feel like I ripped every single one of these. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, that really worked out for me. All right, I got them. Ooh, okay. All right, I like these. These are very Mickey Mouse themed. So they kind of have Mickey Mouse pants and shoes and gloves all on them. But they're really cute though. I would wear them to Disney because, oh actually I'd wear probably anywhere. So they're short socks. But these are the socks for this time. Woo! All right, and now we're on to my True Love gave to me Christmas one for number 9. And today it is a present. Number 9 is a present right up there. A purple present for people who want to be specific. Oh my gosh, I got it. I can't open these for some reason. Like they're, wow, it's okay. I'm probably not gonna use this anyway. Okay. Oh, all right, okay. I like these. I think they're really cute. So they have like a little raccoon on them, and he has like a pink scarf, and you got pink on the bottom, pink on the top. You got forest in the background, and they're the same thing. So I'm not gonna explain the same thing, but those are today's other ones. So we have 2 short ones, Mickey Mouse and a raccoon. All right, I think it's a raccoon. It's a raccoon, yeah, okay. Day 9, this is the day of 9. The 9th day of love. If I can get it out of the holster thingamabob. It's like almost there. It's like. I see the color. Oh, okay. Ooh, this will go pretty with like a blue Christmas outfit. So it's like a dark bluish. That's the color. So it's kind of like a dark bluish where it will go. It's like a little green too. It's got like a hint of green in it too. But it's really pretty. I'm really happy with all the colors I've gotten so far. I'm excited to see what the 12th day is. There's nothing in the 12th day. Wait, what? Okay, well, we're only on the 9th day. We have 3 more days. Okay, now I'm curious to see what's in the 12th day. Well, that's not very fair. All right, well, since we made cookies today, I want to know your favorite cookie recipe that you like to make. I want you to comment that below. So maybe I have another idea for next time I make cookies. But I just need another recipe. I want to mix it up. All right, so that's it guys. Today was these 2 pairs of socks, these 2 pairs of socks, and this color of nail polish. So that's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. See you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, by the way, we're going to the movies tonight, so I have to kind of skedaddle. So that's it guys. See you guys next time. Bye.